Hello guys, in this video we are gonna unbox the Amul 55% dark chocolate. It contains 55% cocoa. Dark chocolate is very good for our health. It contains antioxidants. It increases our heart health. It lowers the blood pressure and it lowers the risk of heart diseases and also heart attacks. The taste is alright, it's little bitter. The Cadbury 50% Bournville dark chocolate tastes better than this.